Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 10, Unit 2, The Night the Ghost Got In. Listening passage. Listen to the story and answer the following. Now I'll tell you a story. Listen very carefully and then answer the following. Okay? A short story. 3 simple rules. This short story, 3 simple rules, is quite interesting to all the people. Enjoy reading this story. Once there was a rich man in Thailand. His name was Chilong. He was a very rich man. Yet he wanted more riches, more money. One day he was walking in his garden. He saw a strange bird in a bush. It was very small, but it had very beautiful and colorful feathers. Its voice was also very sweet. Chulong had never seen such a bird in his life. He slowly went near the bush, unseen. He caught the bird. Now the bird began to speak. "Why have you caught me?" the bird asked. "I want to make money. I can sell you for a big amount," replied Chilong. "But you are already rich. Why do you want more?" asked the bird. "Because I want to become richer and richer," replied Chilong. "But do not dream of making money through me," said the bird. It further added, "You cannot sell me. Nobody will buy me because in imprisonment I lose my beauty and my sweet voice." Then it slowly turned into a black bird. The beautiful feathers were now looking like the feathers of a crow. Chilong's hopes of making money were shattered. He said angrily, "I will kill you and I will eat your meat." "Eat me? I am so small. You will not get any meat out of me," replied the bird. Chilong could not answer. The bird then suggested, "Well, set me free. In return, I shall teach you 3 simple but useful rules." "What is the use of the rules? I want only money," said Chilong. He was irritated. "But these rules can profit you greatly," added the bird. "Profit me? Really? Then I shall set you free. But how can I trust you?" "You may fly away," said Chilong. "I give you my word, and I always keep my word," said the bird. Chilong wanted to take a chance. He released the bird. It flew up at once. Then it sat on the branch of a tree. Its color started changing. It became beautiful again. Chilong asked, "Now teach me the rules." "Certainly," said the bird. Then it added, "The first rule, never believe everything others say. The second rule is, never be sad about something you do not have. The third rule is, never throw away what you have in your hand." "You silly bird," shouted Chilong, and he added, "These 3 rules are known to everyone. You have cheated me." But the bird said, "Chilong, just sit down for a while. Think about all your actions of today. You had me in your hands, but you threw me away, released me. You believed all that I said, and You are sad about not having me. The rules are simple, but you never followed them. Now, do you see the value of the rules? So saying, the bird flew away and disappeared from his sight. Now, children, you have listened to the story. Shall we see? Now, answer the following, okay? First one. The rich man was from Dash, Nagaland, Thailand, Finland. 2. Where did Chilong catch the bird? 3. Why did Chilong catch the bird? 4. What will happen to the bird in imprisonment? 5. What did the bird suggest Chilong in exchange for its freedom? 6. Does Chilong want to earn money honestly? 7. What were Chilong's plans for the bird? 8. Who is wise according to you? 9. Is the bird a crow? 10th. What are the 3 rules given by the bird? I hope you have answered correctly. If not, listen to the passage again and then answer. Okay? I extend a hearty thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. Thank you.